Hello my dear friends, I am going to teach you today continuous tense, right? Continuous tenses are also known as progressive tense. Progressive tense, right? Okay, what is the best and most important part to understand? That when we talk about continuous tense, from name it's clear that we use this tense if action is on. If somebody is performing an action and that action is on, right? For example, I say I am teaching English now, right? Here I am using I am teaching English now. You have to see the structure. If this is affirmative sentence, I am using I am teaching English, right? Now this is object, right? I am teaching English now, right? So what is the subject is I am teaching English now, right? So this is continuous, that this action is going on. I am teaching you now, right? Okay, my action is on. So what is the basic idea? That when we use continuous tense, you have to keep in mind action is or was or will be on, right? So when a speaker speaks this language, they always try to say that the action is going on, right? Something is going on, right? So I have given this example, right? Suppose my mom is cooking. So here I am using my mom is cooking now. So my mom is cooking, right? Okay, that means she is busy cooking now, and that's why I am saying she is cooking, right? Okay. Here, let's come to negative sentence, right? Suppose I am teaching now, I am not driving, right? That action is not happening now. So here I am using I am not driving. You have to see the placement. I have used here I, then am not driving. I am not driving. Keep in mind where to put not here. Just after word you are putting not, right? I am not driving. I am not driving. That means I am not performing this action. So in continuous tense, negative sentence is like this. Okay? He is not cooking. They are not playing. Or okay, he is not watching TV. I am not listening to you. You are watching me live now, right? So this is the continuous negative sentences. Not is giving a negative sentence, and when you do not use any negative sentence, you don't have to put not here. Come to the question part. Question part is again, first of all we are using to be verb, then subject, and then verb plus ing, right? Okay. Suppose if I say, am I telling a story? Right. Here I am using am I telling a story, right? This is a question part. You have to see. I use first to it. Am I telling a story? That means no, I am not telling a story. I am teaching you continuous tense, right? I am teaching you continuous tense. This is how you have to learn continuous tense, right? Okay, and it's very easy to understand how do you use past and future. Suppose tomorrow at this time I'll be watching TV, right? So what I'm saying here, tomorrow at this time I will be watching TV, right? Tomorrow is Sunday and I know the time, and so I am speaking this language. This is future continuous. That's very easy again. Structure is same. I, to be, will be, and watching TV. I'll be watching TV, right? Suppose yesterday at this time I was busy eating, right? I was having lunch. At this time I was having lunch. So language will be yesterday I was having lunch. I was having lunch. You always keep in mind the structure part only. When you learn the pattern of the sentence, there is no chance of mistake. Most of the learners don't follow the patterns, and that's why they make a mistake, right? Here, in case if you want to make a question part, then it's again very easy. All the WH question will be here, right? Okay, why are you shouting at me? Why are you shouting at me? Why are you shouting at me? See here. When you want to make a question, WH questions, again it's very easy. You are adding WH question before this normal yes no question. You are putting this WH question. That becomes a new question. Why are you shouting at me? Why are you shouting at me? Right? Okay. Okay. Hope it is very much beneficial to you, and thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe, do like, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.